Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you something really simple about Axure, that is the variable this and the variable target. So these two special variables are really important inside Axure, and if you master these two variables, you can really ease out your workflow. So that said, if you're interested, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, put a like and comment, and that's it. Let's get started. And here we are inside Axure. So for this video, I'm using Axure 10, but you can do this with whatever version of Axure you have. So version 8, 9, 10, doesn't matter, right? So what I'm going to do is just to drag and drop one button element inside the canvas, and with this I'm going to drag and drop one other element, that is a box, for example. I will rename it quickly. As you can see here in the new interaction, I can select, for example, click or tap. I go on, for example, set size of what? So here I want to select or this widget. So if I select this widget, it means that, of course, the action linked to the click will be linked to this widget, so to the button itself, right? And if I want to resize, okay, this widget, so the button itself, I open the FX here, so the function and variable panel. And what I want to say to Axure is take the width, in this case, of the button itself. And I want that each time that this widget is clicked, I want you to add 50 pixels. And so in the insert variable or function under widget, you can see we have this and target. So for the first time, I will click this. This means, as I say, that is a function that is linked to the action, okay, of the widget to which is attached to. It means in this case the button. So this dot width, okay, takes the width of the widget on which is attached to, right, this action. So, and I want to add 50 pixels, okay. What does it do now? If I click preview and I click on the button, as you can see, each time that I click, the button, so this widget, is resized of 50 pixels. Instead, if I change the target with a rectangle, okay, so the target now is rectangle, and the FX here, instead of this, okay, I will take the other one, so the target, right? Target dot width, okay, plus 50. What does it do is that every time that I click on this button, the resize will be on the target of this widget. The target of this widget is the rectangle in this case, right? So if I go in preview here and I click on the button, as you can see, it resizes, okay, but as you can see, it is resized also the height. Why this happened? Because actually it takes, as you can see, the height of this widget. It means the button. But if we don't want that, we have two options. The first one is to leave it blank. Okay, so if we go in a preview, okay, now each time that I click, it resizes, but the height doesn't take it into consideration, and that's what we want. Or if you want to be more precise, we can take the same thing and put it here, right? Copy paste the same thing. We go back in the variable and function panel, and target dot width will be target dot height plus 50. What we are saying here is quite simple. So we are saying take the height now of the target widget, that is the rectangle, and add 50 pixels to it. Basically, on one click, we are saying resize this rectangle accordingly and proportionally of 50 pixels on width and on the height. But we can put whatever we want. Actually, here we can be 50, but on height could be, I don't know, 100, right? So each time that we click this button, the target will resize of 50 pixels of width and 100 pixels of height, right? Okay, so if I click OK and I go in preview, and now that I click, as you can see, now is not really proportional. You can see, so 50 pixel width and 100 pixel height each click, right? So it's really important to understand that this and the target, because again, are attached to the widget on which you put the action on and the target of the widget itself. So for example, if I want to create another button and I want to copy this exact same thing on click set size of this on this button and I paste it here, it will do exactly the same. So I don't have to think or change stuff, right? So if I click on this button, it will do exactly the same. And also this video is finished. I hope you enjoyed it. And as usual, what I ask you is to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, put a like, a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.